How is the weather?
Because we are living in the mountains, you know how we check? Simple. You take the flashlight and you wait for the surprise.
Ellie said.
Alright.
Hello again. As I mentioned before, we are under the snow for over 3 months now. And in these conditions, it's not easy to work, or we are a little bit lazy. We don't do as much as we do in the summertime. Yet there are some things we must do regardless of what we feel like. How is the weather?
The weather is, it's saying that it's cloudy and 6% chances of rain or snow. That's what the phone says, the weatherman. But because we are living in the mountains, you know how we check? Simple. You take the flashlight and you wait for the surprise. We got a little bit of snow on the ground. So the weatherman, it's wrong again. That's the beauty of living here. Nice.
It is about 7 p.m. and only the second week of February. We're going for a walk. Not too close, yet not so far from us. It is a smaller town, and we like to get in touch with the community. In this instance, we went to a community seed share event when people are trading for free seeds. I had to go because it's closer to that season. Let's go, snowing so badly now.
Yeah, this is
We
Let's
thought
go.
it's gonna stop.
Stop talking, more work.
As my husband mentioned earlier, even if the weatherman says that something might happen, it might not, or the other way around. We had, in the past few days, a lot of snow, and almost every day was snowing. Right now, we are enjoying a little bit of sunshine. Little by little, we're moving on to different projects for the house. Right now, we are installing the fresh water pipes for all our house. We need to do this now because we have to finish the other side of the basement that is housing the technical room for our house. There we're going to have the water pressure tank and all the pipes that go to serve our bathrooms and the kitchen. Of course, there is more snow going. We are not know-it-all, and that's alright. Even with research, we might miss details. It is about learning, adapting, and creating a comfortable home for ourselves. Michael is using an expanding tool to install the fittings for the freshwater pipe. I'm not gonna talk about it right now, but something is not quite right. There is even more snow for the next day. It's the third time today.
Yeah.
We're going to plow the street again. Michael has plowed the street, but now we have to take off the plow, and this is all the snow left in the plow. That is how much snow we got in 7 hours. It's about 8 inches, maybe more. And it's looking like the snow is gonna stay with us. You can barely see the mountains. That's more than 1 feet tall.
So we got no power again. We don't know when they're gonna fix it, but it's not that cold. It's only 23 degrees, so it's okay.
This is the third day with the snow?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Third day. Look how big the snowpile is. That has fallen over there, but here you can tell. You're on the camera. Usually we're complaining that in our mountains it's too much snow and nothing outside.
Now it's snow everywhere.
Now it's snow everywhere. Even though the winter is not gone, we can say that so far it wasn't too bad. Except for too much snow, we didn't had too much of minus temperatures. Before Thanksgiving, we had the heaviest snow around and we lost a lot of trees, yet we didn't get to the minus 32 like the previous winter. Another snowy night and day. Yesterday we plowed the road and still the pack is more than 12 inches deep. Look at those faces. Aren't they beautiful?
So we got some snow, and my wife, she was like, oh, it's too much snow. No, it's not really too much. We are in a higher elevation, so that's normal. And now I fix for the gutters because they said next week we're gonna get 40 degrees, 46, 45, and the snow over the roof is gonna melt. We have probably like 1.5 feet, maybe 2 feet of snow on the roof, and the gutters are not done. And connect this pipe that it's for French drain, and I connected to divert the water out. And now I'm digging around the excavator and the loader. I spent 3 hours just to dig the cars out of the snow, the road, to the main road where it's keep up by the county. And I can tell you I got stuck a couple of times. It's way too much snow, and with improvised wood plow is not really great, but it's doing something. And it's hard to keep up with all this, but it's okay. Next year will be easier, way easier. And keep working. No time to wait.
If you watch till here, I want to say thank you for following along. There is more to say about our pipes. As I mentioned, something went wrong, but that's gonna be in a future episode.